Hey guys, welcome to our day 5 video of a 7-day Mudgar challenge for beginners. So in today's move, basically you have to hold your Mudgar again with two hands and you have to take the Mudgar behind, okay, on one side of the shoulder, pull. Take it behind on the other side of the shoulder, pull. Okay, very simple. Okay, that's what we have to do, but with both hands. Come, let's start our day 5 challenge. Come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And keep doing the Kshatriya Pranayam. Guys, keep doing the Kshatriya Pranayam. 10, 11, 12. I'll also show this move from side angle, okay? 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay? Come, let's finish the remaining count. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Relax. So very good guys, you're done with the day 5 challenge, right? We are more than halfway there. Just 2 more days left and then you will be done with the 7-day challenge. Okay, that was it guys for today's video. I will now see you in the day 6 video.